welcome everyone to another video here in this channel. My name is Daniel, and in this video I will give you all my expectations, my price targets, and also my updates about my trading management for the Bitcoin, Ethereum, QNT, and also the Solana charts. And as you can see, my target area of the wave 2 worked out like we expected it to work out. We saw a 5-wave move towards the downside. Then I set you this price range for the wave 2 over 1670 and below 1680. This worked out perfectly, and I closed my hedge long positions here in this price range. So now, in my opinion, the wave 3 towards the downside could already bring us down to, let's say, 1580, and in my opinion this could already be a wave 1 of 3. Now we are in the 2 of 3. There comes a 3 of 3, 4 of 3, and also then the 5 of 3, which then completes only this impulsive wave 3 of 3. There should be another wave 4 and 5 of this big impulse towards the downside, and in the optimum case there should be one bigger 4 and 5 here in this target area, which is around about $1,500. So this is why I'm still in my short positions, which I have doubled down on 1717, as you probably know. And yeah, what can I tell you? My expectations are still unchanged, so I'm staying in these short positions. If you're looking for another entry point, you could, this is of course no financial advice, you could take the FIB retracement levels from the top to the bottom here. And as you can see right now in time of recording, we are here in this possible wave 2 target area, which is between the 0.786 and the 0.5 FIB retracement level. So technically this is another entry possibility for a short trade, and this could extend of course until the top of the wave 1 of 3, but this is the most likely reversal area here to bring us down further in the 3 of 3. So this is practically my view about Ethereum at the moment. And congratulations if you also scaled up your shorts here in these trading areas, or congratulations if you even followed me before. And yeah, this is only a short update today, so I want to come over to the Bitcoin chart. And as you can see, we are still here in this wave 3 target area, so my view there is also still unchanged. We should see another dip down here in this wave 4. I mean, what means another? There hasn't been many dips recently, so that's why I'm expecting here a wave down here in this target area. If we drop below, this would kind of danger here the imminently bullish scenario, because I am looking out here for a wave 4 towards the downside and another wave up here to complete a 5-wave impulse, because in my opinion it could already be that the Bitcoin bottom here at the $15,500 is already in. And to kind of confirm this scenario, we would need here 5 waves towards the upside, which we have not seen yet. So in the bearish scenario, we are just rolling over and falling down. But in the bullish scenario, which I am currently tracking here, we should also see another dip down in this wave 4 retracement area before we see the last leg up here in this wave 5. And this would be the first strong indication that a very important bottom at the $15,500 has been made. So also, if we see these 5 waves up, there is no need to FOMO in afterwards, because there should be still a retracement in the wave 2. And this is the point where possible long entries for the long term could be entered. So let's now straight have a look at the QNT chart. And as you can see also there, my view is still unchanged. We are exactly in the perfect trend reversal area here for this wave C down, because as you can see there, a 3-wave move has already been complete in this possible wave B towards the upside. So there is only a wave C down left before we can push higher. Because I want to just explain it for the new viewers here on this channel. My assumption is that we have made a 5-wave impulse here towards the upside. So this is the first indication already that this low will more likely than not break in the future. If we see a 3-wave move here towards the downside in this target area, and we have already possibly seen 2 of those 3 waves. So the wave A and B are probably done. We are exactly in the target range I gave you for this wave B. And now the next target area is down there between 80 and $90 to get a bigger pump here towards the $380 level, which is the price target for this bigger wave 3 after this 1-2 setup. And before we start straight into the charts, I want to announce the current giveaway from $1,000, which is made by BITGET. And with the link down below in the video description, you can take part. The winners will be selected by the highest trading volume and also by the highest P&L. With the links here down below in the video description, you can not only sign up with BITGET and get your normal $8,000 bonus. No, actually right now they give you $2,000 on top of that, which you can take as well for your trading bonus. And of course, you can take your trading bonus and compete with that in the trading competition. So I wish you all the best, and we start straight into the charts. And now we're looking at the Solana 1-day time frame, and my view here is still unchanged. We cannot know yet if this wave C towards the downside is still ongoing or not. At the moment, it could easily be that there will be another low, another dip down here in this wave C. It depends on how we count this. Yeah, we can say that maybe this was a 1-2, then there was a larger 3, then this was a 4, and now we are in this 5. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, or maybe this 5 is already finished. Yeah, there are many possible ways to count it, but as I told you in my last update here about Solana, the first really good indication that this wave C low is in place, yeah, would be if we break above this downward sloping channel trend line. Yeah, if we break above this trend line, retest it from above, and get a bounce up there, this is the first really strong indication that a low has been made. And also, if this happens, there is no need to panic, because in this case we would see a 5-wave move towards the upside, maybe like this. And afterwards, there would be still a correction down in a wave 2. Yeah? So there is another entry opportunity afterwards. And of course, it depends on your risk management, if you want to wait for this confirmation or not. I personally have not opened a Solana trade yet. Probably I will do it in the future, but right now it's for me personally too risky, because there is the big risk that we are falling down from here, we are getting rejected. And as you can see, the next support is here near at the $0. So I don't want to involve myself in such a risk. I personally stay out of possible Solana trades right now. If we are breaking this resistance to the upside, then of course there will be possible entry positions here for long trades. But since we have not seen it yet, I want to stay at the sidelines here for the Solana chart and not risk an entry yet. What would be a possible short opportunity? For the people who are watching out for a possible short, the first indication which we can get as Elliott wavers, as you probably know, is a 5-wave to the downside. So if this is a 1-2, now there comes a 3, 4, and 5. There is the good chance, if there comes a 1, 2, 3 towards the upside, that this is only a correction, and there would be a good short opportunity afterwards. But it depends on how we react to this trend line right now. Yet we cannot know. That's why I'm not opening Solana trades yet. And I hope this information was useful for you. If it is the case, leave your thumbs up down below. Leave your subscription for this channel, and also activate the small little bell to always get notified when I upload a new video here in the future. Thank you very much, and I hope we see each other in the next video. Bye bye.